Entrada del Tercer Bany. They have human towers in the Honorable Adult Crew to commemorate one of the old castellers of this town. He used to be the leader, the Categoria, the Barriga Tutte Villanova. But the image we see here, building a Cresta Zetam Lagunya, so a 3x7 with a needle, a pillar in the middle, are the Cicotta della Franca. Has been completed, and here comes the second part. What in this case is called un agulla, or a needle, which is in fact a pillar in Catalan, and it's made as a